What is going on, guys? New product from Lithium Auto Elixirs. These guys make amazing products. And no, I'm not paid to say that. No, this is not a sponsored video. They sent me this product to give my honest thoughts and review. I gave a video review earlier today on cleaning a nasty engine bay on my wife's Honda Odyssey. The engine bay's never been touched. This thing cut through dirt, cut through oil like nobody's business. And today we're gonna be trying it on these brown tires that desperately need some love. So this is a great video. If you guys are out there looking for a cleanser and degreaser, check out my other video if you already haven't. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right after it. So guys, you can look this up on their website. You guys can see, but they're making some bold claims on here. The world's most potent formula. A versatile application. You use this on paint, you can use it on plastic, you can use it everywhere. And that's what I like about Lithium is their products are not only strong and some of the strongest out there, but they're safe. They're not using super harmful chemicals. So a lot of times they're using essential oils. I don't know what is baked into all the goodness of this, but they do such a great job. And so this is my wife's neglected tire on her Honda Odyssey. It's been months since I have cleaned these tires, and I was just curious to see how well this works. It's just kind of cleaning the nastiness off the tires. So let's go ahead and give it a go. But check out my other video if you guys are out there kind of looking for a product that can really do a good job degreasing an engine bay. This tackled it effortlessly. Did an amazing job. All right, and we'll just kind of do one half just to kind of show you guys comparison. Gonna head and let that sit just for a second. But Lithium Auto Elixirs, they're here in Utah. I'm here in Utah. They're such a great brand to work with. Thank you, McKenna and the team over there. Really appreciate all you guys just thinking of me and letting me try some of your products and give just kind of my honest take of it. But so far, I did this on some hoses in my wife's engine bay and immediately kind of removed that browning effect that it had. So let's go ahead. And what I like is there's actually a little bit of sudsing, which is actually kind of cool. All right, so definitely getting some browning, some nastiness down in the grooves. You can see there, it's kind of some definite browning. But yeah, this can be a great degreaser. And I haven't tried it on tires yet. This is just a product that, I don't know if they've officially released it. I believe they have. Go check out Lithium Auto Elixirs website. I'll leave a link in the description below where you guys can get this product. But on an engine bay, man, this thing tackled it with no problem. And with tires, it's doing the same. And what I like to see is this, which is sudsing. It's great. So it's not just your standard degreaser that just kind of runs off. It cleans, has a good foaming effect, and it's been really strong. It does a great job at cleaning. So let me go ahead. And so if this could be a product that if you guys are trying to remove off an old tire dressing, if you just want to kind of degrease some different things, it'll pull it right off of there. All right, let's go ahead and rinse this off. This stuff's great. And another use that I think actually this would be super beneficial for. So obviously you can pull off tire dressing as you clean your engine bay, but an area that I want to do next is in your wheel wells, especially where you're kicking up oil, dirt, all sorts of grease. And what's great about this product is I can't say it's true, but it claims to help preventing dirt, oil, and other things like sticking to the surface. So you know, in like your engine bay gets super sticky and just oil and dirt and anything that goes under there sticks to it. This is supposed to prevent it. So let me go ahead and grab my brush to get up here into the wheel arches, but this is a great spot as well to be able to use this product on. And once again, just such a great product that you can use on so many different places. All right. Couldn't quite find my fender well brush. I'm using my wheel brush, but this will be just as effective, I promise. So immediate things, it doesn't smell terrible. There's a lot of other degreasers and stuff that you literally cannot breathe in. It's like death. This isn't bad. Sure, it is strong, and the closer you get to it or the longer you're around it, it's quite strong, but it's not bad compared to a lot of the other products out there. And Lithium does such a great job. They put so much science into their products, and I'm not just trying to make this sound like a love fest for Lithium guys, but their products are so good. They're well thought out. They don't roll out 8,000 different products. They just have a few in their lineup, and they wait to roll out stuff that until it's basically something that's gonna, you know, impact things. And they've canceled products that they've spent a lot of money trying to develop because they didn't feel it was better than products that were out there. And I love and appreciate that about a brand. Someone that's just, they know what their branding is, they know what they're going after, and that's why I appreciate Lithium. The more I work with them, the more I try their products, is they're not a chemical guys, they're not in atoms, they're not releasing thousands of products and one every week just to try to capture market share. They're really trying to make the best products out there that have multi-uses, that are better than anything out there, and that actually make a difference and are game changers. So let me go ahead and draft this tire so I can show you guys the results, but look in this wheel well. Did a great job cleaning that. And let me draft this tire so you guys can kind of see the difference. All right, guys, so here it is. This is how the tire looks after it's dry. And something that I'm paying attention to, that maybe it states it on the label and I just didn't read it, is it almost gives it kind of a darker black type look to it. I mean, that tire is dry and it looks like it has almost a little bit of a tire shine or sheen on there. This is from when it scraped like some rocks and stuff, but you guys can see there's nothing on my fingers. Over here, look at from that to that, look at like the darkness. And granted, anything that's cleaner is gonna look darker, but what I noticed with a lot of degreasers out there, even though when the tire's clean, it almost makes it like brown and dry, and it doesn't look saturated, it doesn't look healthy. Like this rubber, as I'm rubbing my hand over it, I mean, it almost feels like I got like a light dressing on it. So it's gonna leave your rubber, from what I can tell, more dark, blacker, and healthier, so it's not cracking. And I do believe they talk about it, maybe. So rinseless, quickly cleaning, leaving a factory new look. Okay, so maybe that's what they're talking about. Not only cleanse surfaces, but helps prevent future buildups. Let's see if it says, develop, spray it on, hose it off, then sit back and relish in the day's accomplishments. So, you know, I probably could have not done any scrubbing. Maybe that's what they would want me to do, but guys, this cleans really good and it leaves things looking kind of OEM black finish. I mean, it doesn't really even need tire shine, but you can see over there, I mean, it's brown and nasty. Guys, I'm awesome with Gone in 60 detailing. That is just my quick review of using Grime Wave by Lithium Auto Elixirs. Guys, these guys make awesome products. And I'm not just saying that. They make really, really good products. Give them a shout. Thank you, McKenna. Thanks, team, for sending this over my way. Please like, comment, subscribe, guys, and we will catch you on the next video.